Chapter 2, Division of Decimals. Objective, to divide two decimal numbers. Hello everyone. Did you enjoy your good weather? Today, we will learn about division of decimals. Let's solve some sentence problems to learn how to solve the division of decimals. Question 1. Hyun has a ribbon of 2.4 meters and she cut it into pieces of 0.4 meter each. How many pieces does she have? First, we can solve by changing the dividend and divisor to whole numbers through moving the decimal point to the right. Dividend number 2.4 divided by divisor number 0.4 equals 24 divided by 4. This way means to multiply by 10 to both the numbers equals 6. Second way, by making the dividend and the divisor into fraction. Divide 2.4 by 0.4. Both are in the tens place or first place from the decimal point. So, 24 out of 10 divided by 4 out of 10 equals 24 out of 10 times 10 out of 4. Cancel out 10, 10. Then 24 out of 4 equals 6. Question 2. A blue ribbon is 6.72 meters long and the red one is 2.1 meters. How much length is the blue ribbon longer than the red? Let's make the decimal numbers into whole numbers through moving the decimal point to the right. Then 6.72 becomes 67.2 and 2.1 becomes 21. The final answer is 30.2. Question 3. Hyunjin ran 5,400 meters within 3.6 hours. What was his average speed per hour? 5,400 divided by 3.6. Let's make the divisor into whole number. This divisor is tens place. So, 54,000 out of 10 divided by 36 out of 10 equals 54,000 out of 10 times 10 out of 36. Cancelling out 10, 10, then 54,000 out of 36 equals 1,500 meters per hour or 1.5 kilometers per hour. A remainder is the amount left over when the dividend cannot be divided exactly by the divisor. 2.1 divided by 0.6, they are tens places, so 21 out of 10 divided by 6 out of 10 equals 21 out of 10 times 10 out of 6 equals, cancel out 10, 10, equals 21 out of 6. Here we can add 0 and then bring down at the dividend's place to continue dividing to get the quotient. But the quotient is repeated again and again. Then we should round up the number with a similar value. When rounding to the nearest tens, the number stops at the tens place. For example, 3.33 equals 3.3. When rounding to the nearest hundredths, the number stops at the hundredths place. If the next digit is 5 through 9, we should round up 1 and add 1 at the hundredths place. So 3.335 becomes 3.34. If the next digit is 0 to 4, we must round it off. So pi equals 3.14159. Nearest tenths is 3.1. Nearest hundredths is 3.14. nearest thousands is 3.142. Question 4. Divide 50 by 5.2. Multiply 10 at the both sides. Then 500 divided by 52. 500 divided by 52, 9 is 468. The remainder is 32. Put the decimal point here and add 0. And next, the quotient is 6. 312. The remainder is 8. Add 0 again. 152. 8 to add 0 again. 5 260. The remainder is 20. The quotient is repeated again and again. So the nearest tens is 9.6. Nearest tens is 9.6. Next to the tens is 9. This one add plus 1 equals 9.62. We are done in today's lesson. I'm glad to have helped you understand this lesson. Next time, I will cover about space and three-dimensional structure. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time.